This is unboxing of the Zhiyun Extension Pole for Smooth 5. Here it is outside the package. The top is metal. The rest is grippy plastic material, rubber material. Also the bottom's metal as well, where you can thread in the additional parts if you have the tripod stand. So right now it is in lock position, I believe, because I cannot push it out. And I would essentially move to this direction to unlock it, and let's see how far it goes. Here it is unlocked. It's quite long. Here's my hand. Here is the gimbal connected, and as you can see, it can extend quite far. One thing you have to be mindful of is the end is going to be very heavy, so these extension poles are not to be used with one hand unless you are careful with the grip. But so far, it's not bad. It's good quality for the price, so I recommend it.